This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. Release the clip at the side and remove the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position it to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Chock the left-hand rear wheel. Using the anti-theft nut adapter where necessary, slacken the driver's side road wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill. Raise the front of the vehicle until the right-hand wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the chassis. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the road wheel. The auxiliary drive belt is fitted to the driver's end of the engine. Undo the two screws and remove the drive belt lower cover. On 1.6 litre models with air conditioning, rotate the tensioner pulley anti-clockwise and slip the drive belt from the pulleys. Remove the plastic cover, undo the nut and disconnect the main lead from the alternator. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the alternator. Undo the retaining bolts and nut. Then manoeuvre the alternator from the mounting bracket. In order to help obtaining the correct replacement, make a note of the alternator identification markings. Manoeuvre the alternator into position, locating over the upper mounting stud. Refit the retaining bolts and nut, then tighten them to the specified torque. Press the wiring plug fully onto the terminal, then reconnect the main lead, tighten the nut securely, and refit the plastic cover. Note how the drive belt is routed around the various pulleys. This is for the 1.6 litre engine with air conditioning. Manoeuvre the new drive belt into place around the pulleys, then rotate the tensioner anti-clockwise again and fit the belt around the crankshaft pulley. Ensure the ribs of the drive belt are correctly located in the grooves of the various pulleys. Refit the drive belt lower cover and secure it with the two retaining screws. Locate the road wheel over the studs, then fit, and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks. Locate the negative lead clamp over the terminal, then push it down and tighten the clamp nut. Ensure the lead is securely reconnected. Refit the battery cover, ensuring the retaining clip engages correctly. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.